As you may know, Tower of Hell is a randomly generated obby with 5 floors. Some people think this is the hardest obby in the world. Meanwhile, there is a game called Jukes Towers of Hell, and it's like 10,000 times harder than this game. In this video, we're gonna talk about this game called Jukes Towers of Hell and compare it to Tower of Hell. In Jukes Towers of Hell, there are 300 towers that each have 10 floors. Some are steeples, some are citadels, which have like 25 floors max and 12 floors minimum. As you may have heard, Jukes Towers of Hell has more floors and towers than Tower of Hell does. That makes Jukes Towers of Hell have 1 more point than Tower of Hell does, cause towers are more high quality than Tower of Hell, because they have more floors in them. If you look a bit into the history of Tower of Hell, you might find out that Jukes Towers of Hell was original and was the inspiration for Tower of Hell. This makes Jukes Towers of Hell have 1 more point because it's original. In Jukes Towers of Hell, you can either descend or ascend. And there are also outside sections. That makes Jukes Towers of Hell have 1 more point because of its creativity. In Tower of Hell, there's this thing called mutators, which means you can basically buy things that give you an advantage or you a disadvantage, or other people a disadvantage. This makes Tower of Hell have -1 point because you can. I'm not even gonna tell you why. It's just common sense at this point. In Tower of Hell, there's a timer that you have limited time to win the game. But if someone goes up, the time will multiply by 2 times X speed. So Tower of Hell gets -1 point. Tower of Hell has a bigger fan base than Jukes Towers of Hell. This makes Tower of Hell have 1.5 more points. Great! So the winner of the tournament is Jukes Towers of Hell. It was off by 4 freaking points. No, actually like 5 points. Probably 4.5 points. That is insane. Tower of Hell sucks, bro. Just play Jukes Towers of Hell. It's like way better than Tower of Hell, dude. Like, I swear.